What up, y'all? It's Ro back with another video. In the previous episode, we went about creating and installing floating shelves from scratch. So in today's video, we're going to create another accent wall and install a bidet toilet. And finally, we're going to prep for paint. So let's get into the video. Alright, so this bidet comes in two parts. One is the toilet and the other is the seat. So the toilet is made by Swiss Madison, which is the same company that created our sink bowls. So yeah, they make toilets too, which is awesome. Now our seat is a Toto washlet, which is pretty much the bidet aspect of the toilet. It sprays out water in the areas so you can clean yourself, and it also has heated seats. Also, it has a fan to warm your bottom. And finally, it comes with a remote to customize settings for you and your spouse. And yeah, this thing pretty awesome, y'all. I'm not gonna lie. I'm not gonna lie. I have been converted. I have been transformed. If you don't have a bidet, definitely get one. I highly recommend. Like, you will never go back to a regular toilet. I'm not even playing. Like, not even playing. If this makes me bougie, then I'm bougie, y'all. Okay, I want warm butted seats. That's what I want. I want my butt warm when I'm sitting. And I'm pretty sure y'all do too. So get a bidet toilet, and it will help out in life. That's all I'm saying. It will help out in life.
Officially done. Bidet toilet. So yep, got the water on the left side. Got the electricity on the right.
I just didn't want to risk it, y'all. I didn't want to risk water and electricity being right next to each other. I know it's a GFCI, but whatever.
So yeah, got the bidet toilet. Got the push 1, 2. 1 for number 1, 2 for number 2. All works out. Heated seats, timer, spray, fan, and also deodorizer. Yeah. So yeah, just want to let you guys know. So it's a Toto toilet seat, or Toto washlet toilet seat, and we have a Swiss Madison toilet. So it all works out nice, perfectly and fine. And yeah, guys, time to continue to finish this bathroom.
Yo, I'm still thinking about that bidet. It's amazing, guys. Amazing. But seriously though, on to the next thing. So right now I am creating an accent wall. I am using leftover MDF board that I use for my baseboards. Some of y'all might be asking, why are you creating another accent wall? It's because my wife asked me to. Okay, shoot. Happy wife, happy life. Happy spouse, happy house. That's what I live by. Happy. Let's get it. And also, I don't mind actually making stuff. I really don't. I'm a creative, y'all. I'm a creative. So if she asks me to do something creative, yo, I am down. That is my love language. So yeah, that's why I made another accent wall, because she wanted to, and I enjoy making and creating stuff. So all right, back to this accent wall. Yeah, so I am installing this accent wall as best as I can. This is the first time that I install. Actually, it's more like a wainscoting wall. What am I talking about? So I decided to nail each top piece and then use my level to make sure each piece is leveled out, and then I'll just nail it from there. It's a lot easier to do it that way than to go about just like eyeballing it. It's really helpful. And look who decided to show up. And let's get on that topic of kids real quick. Yo, when you're doing renovation and you have a child, pretty much you're not getting nothing done, okay? Because it's always like, oh, daddy, can I try this? Oh, daddy, can I do this? Can I jump on this? Can I sit on this? Can I use the hammer? Can I use the nail? Can I? It doesn't stop, okay? So y'all better be happy that y'all getting this content for real. Cause whew, she be out here, okay? She be out here. Alright guys, here is a wainscoting that we're doing here in the bathroom. My wife's going to pick the color, so don't even come at me because I don't know what color is necessarily is going to be. Those blue little dots right there, those are going to be for towels. So a towel holder. And then we didn't have any room for the hand towel, so I think we're going to put a hand towel right there. Yeah guys, this is what it looks like. Now we got to caulk paint and then fill in these gaps. Alright then, I'll check in with you guys later. Just finish up the accent wall. I call it the small accent wall, but it ain't really small. Just finished it up, caulking it, and now it's time to prime. It was actually pretty cool that we did this little ledge. It makes it look really nice actually. I really like it, like the design of it. That was something falling in the sink. My box cutter. Pretty proud of how everything is looking, and next step is to prime and paint. So yeah, let's get into that boy. Alright, before we start priming and painting, we got to make sure that we cover up our floors. So what I'm using is this cardboard paper to cover up my floors. You can get it at your local hardware store, and also make sure you get some painter's tape. It's going to help really adhere the cardboard down to the floor and also to the walls if you need to. And when you're removing the painter's tape, it's not going to rip off the paint that is on the wall. So definitely painter's tape is definitely the way to go if you are taping things down or prepping to do a paint job. So right now I decided to add and install a toilet paper holder and also install the bidet remote holder as well. So you don't have to keep picking it up and, you know, pressing the button and all that stuff. It can just be mounted to the wall and you can just press it from there. So make sure you read the instructions when you're installing these things, and yeah, you'll be fine. It's pretty straightforward. Just read the instructions and everything will work out great. Prepared to start the priming process. You're going to be priming this whole entire bathroom, this whole thing. So we are ready to start. Oh yeah, so this is a glimpse of the decor that we're going to have. Yeah, it's going to be a big process. It's a lot of prep that went along in this process, and my wife is the one that did most of it. So shout out to my wife. Thank you, babe, for helping me out and doing this and all the things. So yeah, guys, that's what we got for today. We have an accent wall. Now we have a bidet toilet. And now it's time to prime and paint. So yeah, next week's video we're gonna be adding our mirrors and then also installing our lights and all of the decor and stuff. So stay tuned till next week, and yeah, I think that's all I got. So make sure you guys like and subscribe, hit that notification bell, comment in the comment section, and until next time, I will see you in the next video.